couple more unboxing for today. One last Harbor Freight box. Like I said, I've had these boxes sitting around a month or so. So at this point, I don't even remember what I ordered. First thing, 3-jaw adjustable oil filter wrench. Looks pretty small. I don't know. I guess it'll work for a couple bucks that you pay for it. Throw that in the toolbox and see if you ever end up using it. Next up, nut driver set, 7-piece. SAE 7-piece metric. These are pretty handy, doing hose clamps and whatnot, small bolts, working on smaller items. I use these all the time. Next thing, Pittsburgh impact sockets. These are the short models. 3/8 drive, 1/2-inch drive, SAE and metric. So you get a little bit of everything in here. I've got the long ones. Figured I might as well have the short ones as well. Of course, they're all over the place. That'll be just fine. I think I'm going to take them out and put them in little socket holders anyway, so I don't really need the case, but I'll probably hang on to it just to have. Three-piece super long extension set. You never know when you need some long extensions. I've, bunched up a few of them before, put 2 or 3 or 4 on, but I guess it's handy to have this. These were obviously pretty cheap. Pittsburgh Harbor Freight. Pistol tire inflator with gauge. Once again, another cheap item, but I think I just threw this on to get it to a certain price. But we'll see how it works. A few more oil filter things. These are set sizes, so hopefully some of these will fit anything that I've got. Who knows? But can't beat the price. Rod Separator. These are handy for doing just about anything. I think this was on sale. It was only a couple bucks, so you can pry with it, bang with it, anything you want to do. "11-inch needle nose pliers." You can always use pliers. A couple dollars, they're certainly worth it. Last but not least, zip ties, 11 inches. These are 100-piece. Throw these in the truck. These cost like $2, maybe $3. Can't go wrong at that rate. So that's everything we got in this order. Nut drivers, tire inflator, some pliers, zip ties, long extensions, some oil filter wrenches, impact sockets, shorties, and tie rod tool. I don't remember what I paid for it, but all this was somewhere around $150.